Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Peak K2, 90 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. High-dose Menatetrenone, MK4, Advanced Vegan Non-GMO Gluten-Free Dietary Supplement GMP Manufacturing Quality Assured Independent Testing. Discussion. Peak K2 is Menatetrenone, MK4, a form of vitamin K2 made in the body from phylloquinone, vitamin K1, and distinct from the menaquinones made by probiotic bacteria. Suggested use. Take one capsule 1 to 3 times a day up with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: organic rice hull, capsule, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not take Peak K2 in combination with anticoagulants, example, warfarin, unless advised to do so by your physician. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.